Hi there, and welcome back to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial, where today I am going to be teaching you Algebra 1. And in this lesson, we're going to look at lesson number 3, which is factoring a difference of perfect squares and also perfect square trinomials. So, now that you know how to factor simple trinomials, you're going to work with some polynomials that have unique properties. And in exercise number 1, what we want to do is we want to multiply the polynomial expressions below. So, we have x plus 2 times x minus 2. And I'm going to use what I've been using in my previous videos called the lobster claw. But if you're taught the box method, or if you like the FOIL or any other trick that your teacher might have taught you, please feel free to double distribute in any way you see fit. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my first term in my first set of parentheses and multiply by everything in my second set. So I get x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Then I take 2 multiplied by x and get positive 2x. And 2 times negative 2 will give me negative 4. I'm going to combine my like terms, which is negative 2x and 2x. But 2x minus 2x is 0. So those two cancel out, and I'm left with x squared minus 4. Okay. I'm going to do that again over here. And I'm going to get x times x, and that's going to be x squared. X times 7 is 7x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. And negative 7 times 7 is negative 49. And once again, my 7x and my negative 7x are going to cancel each other out, and I'll be left with just x squared minus 49. And finally, I'm going to have x times x in this last one, gives me x squared. X times negative 10 will give me negative 10x. 10 times x will be 10x. And 10 times negative 10 is negative 100. And once again, my middle terms do cancel out. So I have x squared minus 100. And now if I look at part D, it says, what do you notice about each of the multiplied expressions? Well, the middle terms, but we know a fancy name for middle terms now from our previous videos. And the middle terms are also called the B terms. So the B term is equal to 0. Because that would really be x squared plus 0x minus 4, x squared plus 0x minus 49, x squared plus 0x minus 100. So you could say that the b term is equal to 0, or you could say that the middle terms, the x terms, canceled out in each of them. And let's take a look at why. That's because these are the exact same thing. The only thing different is that one is a plus, one is a minus. And these are called something called conjugate pairs in math. And when dealing with conjugate pairs, when you multiply two conjugate pairs, yes, you're only going to be left with something that looks like this in the end. You will not have a trinomial because your middle terms will cancel out when you multiply conjugate pairs. So if this video is helpful in just getting started with multiplying polynomials to notice a pattern before we get into factoring them, please give this video a thumbs up, and you're now ready for exercise number 2. Thank you for watching.